Initially, when you embark on your journey to earn commissions, you assume the role of an associate, earning a modest 15% commission on your first 10 sales. However, as you traverse various sales milestones, you unlock the potential for significant increases in your commission percentage. This progression underscores the importance of your commitment to enhancing your sales techniques and maximizing your outreach. Moreover, your affiliate performance is meticulously tracked through a variety of metrics, including clicks, sign-ups, conversions, and purchases. Grasping the significance of these metrics is essential. It enables you to assess your effectiveness as an affiliate marketer and refine your strategies accordingly. An analytical approach to these numbers will empower you to make informed decisions, optimizing your marketing efforts for greater impact. It is not uncommon to encounter periods of stagnation, where your statistics may initially reflect zero activity. This is particularly true as you begin to establish your presence in the affiliate marketing landscape. However, it is vital to recognize that persistence is key. With continued effort, these initial zeros will transform into clicks and sign-ups. Over time, this gradual accumulation of engagement will be instrumental in propelling your affiliate success forward.